Yo, what's good YouTube? We are back with another video, and this one is actually not me designing digitally or illustrating. So where's the Wacom? We don't even see it. The Wacom tablet ain't even here. We're drawing on physical paper. You hear that? Physical paper. Hey, it's been a minute since I've drawn on physical paper, let me be real. But the reason why I'm doing that video is because I've been consistently putting drawing on TikTok about a month ago, and yo, the response I've been getting is crazy, you know, especially all these kids as well. Yo, one of my videos got about 380k views, over 250,000, you know. I never saw these numbers on Instagram, let me be real. The max I got was 60k on one Darth Vader drawing. Besides that, never again. And that was about 2 years ago, because the algorithm on Instagram is trash. But TikTok, boy, I'm enjoying it still. Just go there, splash out hella content, you never know. Like, TikTok is one of the, it's a unique app. You can have about 5k followers and you can get 1 million views if you put dope content. So I advise anyone that wants to go share content or wants to put it out there, use TikTok, because it's a very good platform to get more eyes. But anyways, the more platforms, the more eyes, the better. So you should be just doing it naturally anyways. But I've been advising them to do it. Some are listening, some are not. But yo, I'm just playing my bit. But anyways, so these are the 3 drawings that went viral. Pokemon drawings. Yo, these 3, Ash, and this one. And people, there's been a lot of doubters. I think that's why it went viral, because there's a lot of doubters. A lot of people saying, nah, that's not even a drawing, that's printed, it's a sticker, it's shining, like it's too perfect. Listen, I'm about this perfection. I'm a perfectionist, so I'm gonna show all the doubters that it's a drawing. Like, I love proving people wrong, and I'm gonna prove it today. Today, all the answers are gonna be revealed. What paper I use, even though I'm replying to everyone saying what materials I use, but let me say again, because I know a lot of people are gonna ask. So, what paper I use, what color pencil I'm gonna use. You're gonna learn all the secrets, because I didn't reveal everything. So anyone that gets on this YouTube video, you're gonna know the secrets. Not just, I'm not gonna just give out information like that. Come to the YouTube channel where I'm giving the tutorials, and you'll learn how I make this very white. This is probably why it went viral, because this was so white, people were confused at how you're getting whiteness out of them pencils. And I'm gonna show you that today in this video. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm excited because I haven't done a drawing like this in a while, because it's not really my style. My style is this painting. That's my style. See Mario with a twist. I'm not really. I'm all about creativity. I'm not really like just copying it. I'm just copying, like there's no creativity behind it. But listen, I'm gonna just show you guys. It's good to draw down then anyway. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do this, and then as we grow, I'm gonna show you guys how I paint like this. So yeah, let's get into the video. Enough said.
A stranger from the outside.
Boom. So the character I decided to do is Charizard, because growing up, Charizard was always my favorite Pokemon character. And I'm sure it's a lot of people's favorite Pokemon character as well. Alright, so first thing to do is obviously sketch out your character, whatever character you want to do. One of the most important rules if you want to make your character very bold is keep your pencil very sharp. Always keep it sharp. Always. Don't ever draw on a blunt pencil. Always keep it sharp. And also, what you want to do is don't press so hard. Don't snap the pencil. Well, the way to get it bold is layering. So you want about 5 layers. 5, 6 layers or more. The more the better. That's how you make the drawing very bold. So let's start. And you want to do cross hatching. Cross hatching is when, let me show you here. the way I draw is cross hatching. So cross hatching is when you go, you draw one way, and then you should go the other way, the opposite way, and draw like so. That's cross hatching. Then you press a bit harder and go again. And then it will slowly get bolder and bolder as we go. So yeah, let's go. Let's get into this. So first I'm gonna do is just mark out my shadows. Cool, so now we're gonna start putting our block colors in. Like I said, don't even press so hard. You want to do the first layer, so just blend it in. So don't even do too hard, just you can leave gaps and that's be perfect right now. Just want to blend it in that so. And of course hatch as well. I'm going to press a bit harder and I'm going to do a circular movement. Let me zoom in so you guys can see clear better. Show you better now. So I'm going to do a circular movement. Straight. So you're going to do cross hatching, circular movements, and just straight lines. You're pressing. This one you're going to add a bit more pressure to it. So this will come naturally. The way you look, when you look in your paper and you're drawing, you'll see what strokes will make it stand out more. Keep your pencil sharpened at all times. I'm gonna keep repeating this. Make sure your pencil is sharp. And go again. So this is probably like my third layer now on this section. Some people like to do the whole thing and then go over it again. But we're just gonna do little sections so I can show you guys how I work. So what you're gonna do is just repeat this process over and over again. It's just about layering. Don't press so hard. Don't just do one layer and just press very hard. Because number one, you'll damage your pencil. Number two, you'll damage the paper. And number three, it won't look smooth. You just want to lightly. This is just light. I'm not even pressing so hard. All I'm doing is this. I'm doing strokes, rotations, and cross hatching. That's it. And you want to repeat this step to every block color. There's not much to it. That's all there is. You just repeat this technique. Be patient with it, and just color away. That's it. Make sure you use the right colors. I always have a tester sheet before I touch into the colors. So I have a tester sheet to see what colors go best. And then we're gonna have the finishing outcome to this standard. Oof, that looks so smooth. Don't worry, it's gonna get to this standard soon. So yeah, let's go, let's carry. Yeah, so I'm gonna time lapse this section because it's gonna be very boring just watching me just draw. So I'm gonna time lapse this section until I've done all my oranges. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is one style of drawing. So I like to call this blocked colors style because these are basically block colors. Then you can do blending, which I'll probably do in another video. So I'll show you guys how to blend the colours in properly. But for now, this style is block colours. For example here, this is a blocked colour style because it's all blocked out. It's not actually blending into yellow to dark yellow, it's all blocked out. Blocked colour style. I actually like to draw from the edges first. The edges I add a lot more pressure just to make the lines very straight and edgy. I'll do the edges first. Alright, so now that we've done the oranges, let's do the shadows. It's the same technique again, so this time, however, see how we got like the lines. We've done our lines for basically just a normal fill. Now what you want to do is you want to do the outline, or the edges again, but you just want to stroke very hard and make the lines very accurate. Like so, just one stroke. You want to give a bit of pressure to this one. Make sure your pencil is very sharp. And then you just want to keep applying that pressure. Just apply that pressure like I said before, and you want to repeat this technique so at all the other lines. So I'm not going to go straight in the middle, I'm going to go back to focusing the lines. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward to when the shadows are done. So I'm following the same, remember the same routine. So go hard around the edges, then first layer lightly, second layer lightly, then the third layer a bit more pressure, fourth layer a bit more pressure, and then the fifth layer you're going to fill in the little gaps that are showing. Then that's it. So keep following them steps. But let's see how it look like after I've done my shadowing. So now we're almost there, we're about 80% there. So let me show you guys the secret of how to make it so white. So you see I went over with the white Prisma color pencil. Now we're gonna get the Posca Ink Pen, the white Posca Ink Pen, it will go over that. So that's the secret, that's how I get it so white. You go over that, even if you just use it without the Prisma color, it won't be as white. So it's the two that work very well together. So that's how I make it very white, and we're gonna go over the whiteness that we put in. And you see that standing up. You have to be very careful and just go lightly because it can get very messy. And then I go over my black outline with the black Posca Ink Pen. That's when the drawing comes together. Everything's gonna come clean. But you have to have a steady hand. That's the key. Make sure you have a very steady hand. It takes a while. That's just all practice. That all comes with practice. Just make sure you have a steady hand, and you'll see your lines coming out smooth as hell. So yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna leave a link in in the description of this video of where you can get all these materials, just to make your guys' life easier. So only the people who tuned into the video, the YouTube video, will know this. The people on TikTok or whatever that are too late to come on to check, shame on you, shame on you. So now I'm gonna go over the black outline with the Posca Ink Pen. So this one's gonna be precision now. This is when you have to be perfectionist. So let's get into this now. Time for the white outlining, so we're going to use the Prisma color pencil and then the Posca ink after. So now we are 95% done of our Charizard drawing. The last final step is to perfect everything. So fill up all the gaps, look carefully, any imperfections on the drawing, and fill up all the gaps. Make sure there's no weird looking marks or anything like that. Perfect everything. And yeah, I'm gonna do that, and you're gonna see the final outcome in 3, 2, 1, boom. So there you have it, Charizard drawing. Not print, not a sticker, hand drawing with Prisma color pencils and tan tone paper with Posca Ink Pens. Boom. Comment in the comment section what character you want me to draw next. It's your boy Vela Arts. Hope you enjoyed this video, this small tutorial. I hope you can apply all these techniques to your drawing and make it look like a print, like people say, or a sticker. And yeah, maybe you're gonna get some doubters in the comment section saying that's a print or sticker. So yeah, and just prove them wrong. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to the next one. Thank you for watching. And yeah, let's go. It's your boy.